This FragranceNet shows up like the perfume store version of a clearance rack with confidence. You see designer fragrances marked way below retail, and your brain immediately goes, wait, is this Dior or is this Dior from someone's basement?
Yeah, boy.
The official site says FragranceNet has been trusted online since 1997, sells genuine brand name fragrances, and has shipped over 40 million orders. So, on paper, this is not some random mystery perfume shop born yesterday with a fake logo and a dream. Now, the biggest question, why are the perfumes so cheap? Usually, it comes down to discount retailing, coupons, testers, overstock, older batches, and huge online inventory. Cheap does not automatically mean fake. FragranceNet also says it carries genuine brand name perfumes, colognes, skincare, makeup, hair care, candles, and aromatherapy at discount prices. Basically, they are not trying to be Sephora with mood lighting, they are trying to be the warehouse with a coupon code addiction. The reviews are mostly strong. Trustpilot shows FragranceNet with over 100,000 reviews, and many customers praise the prices, selection, product quality, and authenticity. Reddit users also often say FragranceNet is legit and that they have ordered from it multiple times without receiving fakes. So, no, the internet is not screaming fake bottle factory in one voice. It is more like legit, but read the fine print before you smell rich. But the complaints are real too. Some Reddit users say bottles smelled weaker, older, different, or did not last like the department store version. That does not always prove fake. It could be batch differences, storage, reformulation, old stock, nose memory, or just perfume expectations doing gymnastics. Still, if your $120 scent smells like a tired airport bathroom, you will not care about the technical explanation. The bigger weakness is customer service and returns. BBB complaints mention missing orders, wrong items, refund issues, and support frustration. FragranceNet's own policy says unopened merchandise can be returned within 30 days, but shipping charges may be deducted, and some beauty items are excluded. Final verdict, FragranceNet is generally legit, but not perfect. Buy one bottle first, check batch codes, and use buyer protection. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.